What's up, guys? Welcome to Comic Cap. Today's video will be about the Amazon Collector Core Marvel box. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button, leave me some comments, let me know what you think of these cool pops that came. Alright, so this is this month's Collector Core box from Amazon. If you don't know about the Amazon Collector Core box, just go into Amazon, type in Collector Core. It'll come right up. It's a subscription service. You pay 30 bucks every month. You get a box, 2 pops, t-shirt, pin, sticker, so on and so forth. So this month's box, Year of the Shield. Let's see what we got. We got a shield. Big surprise. Captain America's shield sticker. We got an OG Captain America pin. We got a shirt. Let me open that up. So that is the shirt. 80-year anniversary, Captain America. Looks like you got the U.S. agent costume, the original unmasked. Pretty cool. All right, so these are the pops. If I can get them out. I just need them to pop out. There we go. So we have Nomad Steve Rogers. I gotta be honest, I never even knew Steve Rogers was Nomad at any point, but pretty cool. Move my thumb so you can see him. Then we got World War II Ultimates Captain America. So you got old school cap, old school shield with a helmet. Sorry guys, not taking them out of the box, sorry. There you have it. So, like this video, click that thumbs up. Leave me some comments. I will also put the Amazon Prime link for Collector Core in the description. So if you want to check it out, click on that and it'll bring you right to it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.